Telangana's BJP MLA Rajasingh arrested for his alleged derogatory comments on Prophet Muhammad. Let's have the details about it. This is Yamima. Welcome to the Bird English channel. Telangana's BJP MLA Rajasingh, arrested for his alleged derogatory comments on Prophet Muhammad, has got bail as the court rejected a police request for custody. Though the BJP suspended him, he got a hero's welcome at his office in Goshmal. A case was registered against Rajasingh under various sections of the India Penal Code pertaining to promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion and deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious beliefs, and criminal intimidations, among others, cops said. The BJP suspended Mr. Singh soon after his arrest. Rajasingh was arrested after widespread violence. According to reports, protests broke out in front of Police Commissioner C.B. Anand's office and other parts of Hyderabad on Monday night. Many MIM legislators and cooperators of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation reached the police stations and sought stringent action against T. Rajasingh. Rajasingh had released a 10-minute video alleged making derogatory comments about Prophet Muhammad, taking a swipe at comedian Munwar Farooqi, whose show he unsuccessfully tried to disrupt recently. He said it was a comedy video, just like Mr. Farooqi's alleged videos on Hindu gods. During the arrest, Mr. Singh told that his video was pulled down by the social media platform on which it was uploaded and that he will upload part 2 of the clip after his release. Mr. Singh's controversial comments come barely months after former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma triggered a massive diplomatic backlash with her remarks on the Prophet. Nupur Sharma was suspended by the BJP and as many as 10 cases were filed against her across the country. These are the updates about this. Keep watching Bird English channel. This is Jamima. Bye.